Good morning to all of you. Today our topic is on revolt of 1857. The revolt of 1857 was due to commercial exploitation of a company. The commercial exploitation means benefit or using something for financial gain. So the revolt was due to financial gain which was in favor of company. The administrative innovations over the years had adversely affected all the position of all the rules of Indian states, sipais, zamindars, peasants, traders, pandits, and Maulvis. The administrative innovations means new ways for managing administration, which has adversely affected all the rulers of Indian states. Now, what is the nature and character of revolt? Historians have divergent views about the nature of outbreak of revolt. Historians have given various effect what was the nature and what was the character of revolt 1857. Historians say that the unity was confined to army which did not command the support of people at large. Historians say that the revolt of 1857 was only confined to army and it was not supported from various classes or from various states. That is why it was confined only up to army. Some say it was religious war against Christians. So some historians say that the revolt was only against Christians because during British rule the Christian missionaries have open hands to spread Christianity in India. Some says that it was the result of Hindu-Muslim conspiracy to overthrow British rule. बहुत सारे हिस्टोरियंस ये लिखते हैं कि ये हिंदू और मुसलमानों की एक पॉलिसी थी, एक चाल थी, एक कॉन्स्पायरेसी थी ब्रिटिश को हिंदुस्तान से भगाने के लिए. Historians like T.R. Holmes popularized the view that revolt of 1857 was a conflict between civilizations and barbarism. हिस्टोरियन T.R. होल्मेस हमें कहता है ये जो रिवोल्ट हुआ था 1857 ये इसलिए हुआ था, ये इसमें ये इस वक्त एक क्लैश था बिटवीन सिविलाइजेशन एंड बारबरिज्म. इनका ये कहना था कि जो ब्रिटिश लोग थे ये हिंदुस्तान को आए थे तहजीब सिखाने के लिए, ये इसके लिए तैयार नहीं थे, ये इसके लिए रेडी नहीं थे. डैट इज़ वाई इट वाज अ कन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन civilizations and barbarism. Historian Sir James Coutram and W. Taylor described the outbreak as the result of Hindu-Muslim conspiracy to overthrow British rule. Historian James Coutram and Taylor हमें कहता है ये जो रिवोल्ट ये इसलिए हुई थी, ये हिंदू और मुसलमानों की एक पॉलिसी थी ब्रिटिश को हिंदुस्तान से भगाने के लिए. वी.डी. सावरकर who in his book The Indian War of Independence described it was a planned war of national independence. वी.डी. सावरकर हमें कहता है ये एक प्रॉपर प्लान था फॉर द फर्स्ट वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. नाउ what are the causes of revolt 1857? 1857 के causes क्या थे? First of all, we will start with political causes. The expansionist policy. The expansionist policy of British created distrust among the rulers of then existing Indian states. The expansion policy means increase the amount of profit, increased amount of profit. So it has much more adversely affected on the Indian people. The Indian got panic that sooner or later kingdom would be snatched from them. जो इंडियन लोग थे ये पैनिक थे, आज या कल हमारे हाथ में जो सल्तनत है ये हमसे छीना जाएगा. Several states have annexed by the company on the basis of right to conquest and other applications like doctrine of lapse and subsidiary alliance. जो ब्रिटिश सरकार थे उन्होंने यहाँ पर दो मेथड्स यूज़ किए थे. फर्स्ट, डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स. Doctrine of lapse meaning if to annex Indian princely states if died without a mere heir or without a natural heir. After that, there was another method which was known as subsidiary alliance. Subsidiary alliance means if any state got protection from British side in exchange, but Indian states have to pay maintenance. But if they fail in maintenance, the Indian rulers have to accept British as supreme power. इनके पास जो भी राइट होगा यहाँ से उस राइट को ये खोएंगे अगर ये फेल हो गए मेंटेनेंस को देने में. यहाँ पर मैं थोड़ा ब्रीफ करूँगा. डॉक्टर सब्सिडरी अलायंस जो इंडियन लोग थे इनको ब्रिटिश ने ऑफ़र किया था हम आपको प्रोटेक्शन देंगे और बदले में आपको हमें इसका मेंटेनेंस देना है यानी पेमेंट देना होगा. अगर आप फेल हो गए मेंटेनेंस को देने में आपको ब्रिटिश एक्सेप्ट करना है एज ए सुप्रीम पावर. आफ्टर दैट several states have annexed by the company on the basis of right to conquest and other applications like doctrine of lapse and subsidiary alliance. Now, economic cause. Economic cause is much more important. The company commercialized the agriculture of India. जो कंपनी थी जो ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी थी उन्होंने हिंदुस्तान को एग्रीकल्चर को हाइजैक किया था, इसको कमर्शलाइज किया था. द लैंड रेवेन्यू वाज वेरी अनपॉपुलर. जो लैंड रेवेन्यू वो था अनपॉपुलर. द हेरिडिटी लैंड लॉर्ड्स वर डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ देयर पोजीशंस एंड गेन. वेरियस स्टेट्स वर कन्फिस्टिकेटेड. जो बहुत सारे जो स्टेट्स थे इनको अटैच किया गया, इनको सीज़ किया गया एंड सोल्ड इन ऑक्शन in public auction to the highest builder. Now, religious cause. The Christian missionaries were given a free hand in the propagation of Christianity. जो क्रिश्चियन लोग